What if I tell you that you can concatenate all of your video files with just one click automation? Let's have a look how we can do it. So here is my Google Drive. I have uploaded some videos on it. So for example, this is a 8-second long baby walking in underground. This is a 8-second long baby walking next to the river Thames. And then there is another baby walking in Canary Wharf, right? Let's say we just want to merge all these 8-second videos into one big video, right? How can we do that with automation? Let's have a look. First thing first, we will just start a manual trigger, and then we will have the HTTPS request. It would be a post request. What we have to do here is we have to go to erenault.com, log in into our account, and then get an API key from here. Once you get an API key, what you can do is you can add the generic credential type, then header auth, and then select your Erenault API here, simply by adding your API key. Perfect. After that, we just click on JSON using JSON, and in the body we have to go back to the documentation here, click on concat, and then here we will see the URL. We will copy it, we'll paste the URL here, which is there, and then we will go back and then copy the JSON for the payload, and we will put it here. As you can see, the URL for your videos to be concatenated, and then there is order. Doesn't need to be necessarily in order of top to bottom, but what you need to make sure that order is a mandatory field. So if you do not provide it, it will not work. Okay, so we go back and then we can see that this API supports MP4, WebM, AVI, MOV, almost all kind of video formats here, right, to concatenate. All right, so let's go and copy the URL for these videos. So we go share, and then we select the anyone with the link, and then copy the link, and then click done. Come back, and then let's say first video would be this one. And then we go back to the drive, we select the second video, share, and then we select anyone with the link, and then copy the link, and then go back, and then we say second video here. And then the last video, let's say we take this one, click on share, and then anyone with the link, copy link, done, come back, and then put it here. As you can see, we have the order here. We will test it with a different order also. So that's good. After that, we will add just a wait node here, just in case if, once the request is sent, because obviously here you can say once we send the request, it generates a job ID and then status. So we have to check it. So after that, let's duplicate this one, and then we connect, and then instead of post, we will say get nobody. But in this case, what we have to do is we have to go back and then click on status here, and then copy, go back here, and then in the job ID field, we have to fill the job ID of this particular request, which we will return back. Here we can put a if statement quickly, and then if the API returns completed, we do nothing. Otherwise, we sort of like, if it is false, then we will go back in the loop and then keep doing it. Okay, that sounds good. So let's hit the workflow quickly. Obviously, it's going to fail on this node because we haven't added the job ID here. Remember that there is no job ID. So we are going to do that now. We are going to add the job ID here. I go and then execute this node. It is executing. There you go. And then it executed, and then it's processing, right? So we are just going to grab the status, put it here, and then execute it too. And then you see it's false, so it went back. So we'll just keep doing it. There you go, it's true now. We open it, so it's true. So now we got the final URL of the output. So remember we had 3 videos added. So let's open them and see. So cute. So cute. Here we are. That is funny. All right, so that is how you concatenate all your videos with order in automation. If you have any kind of use case which you need help with, let me know and I would be happy to help you. You can also go on my website, leonard.com, and book a meeting with me to have a call. Thank you. Bye.